What's up guys? Today we are unboxing of Honor Earbuds X7. Honor Earbuds X7 are available at the price of 42 United States dollars and comes in green and white colors. Company claims its new earbuds can last up to 9 hours of playback on their own, while their charging cases add another 31 hours of battery and a total battery life of up to 40 hours. The Honor Earbuds X7 are equipped with 10 dynamic drivers and pair over Bluetooth 5.3. Earbuds X7 feature a Hi-Fi 5 digital signal processor DSP and Golden Ear certification for detailed sound output. There is IP54 rated against water and dust. This is the most affordable and best earbuds from Honor. The true wireless earphones come with a call noise reduction feature and a golden ear certification by the China Electronics Industry Association that is claimed to ensure good quality sound. They are also equipped with EQ sound effects and the company's AI-backed voice assistant Yo-Yo. The charging case has a pebble-like round design. That's all for now. Guys, please subscribe my channel. Thanks.